Hello, in this video, learning about confusion matrix. Regardless of how much data we use to test the trained algorithm, we still need to work out whether or not the result is good. A method that is suitable for classification problems known as confusion matrix. For regression problems, things are more complicated because the results are continuous, and so the most common thing we use is sum of square error. A confusion matrix contains all the possible classes in both horizontal and vertical directions. As you can see, we have two different classes, negative and positive if it is a binary problem. So they are written in horizontal as well as in vertical directions. And the list of classes along the top of the table as the predicted output. So here these classes are labeled as predicted classes, and here on the left hand side, as you can see, they are written as actual classes, or we can also see the targets. The various cells in the confusion matrix are termed as true negative, true positive, false positive, and false negative. What are true positive, negative, false positive, and false positive? Let us see. So consider an example where machine learning model is trained to predict tumor in patients, and the dataset consists of 100 people. Now true positive means the model correctly predicts the positive class. So in this example, 10 people have tumors and they are predicted positive by the model. 10 people in actual they are positive. Model also predicts them as positive, so this number is 10. This is called as true positive. The next term is true negative. True negative means model correctly predicts the negative class. In this example, 60 people who do not have tumors are predicted negative by the people. Who do not have tumors, that means in actual 60 people do not have tumor, and the model predicts that they do not have tumor. That means this is prediction, model predicts them that they do not have tumor. So this is termed as true negative. Next is false positive and false negative. False positive model gives a wrong prediction negative class. In this example, 22 people are predicted as positive of having tumor, although they don't have the tumor. That means in actual they do not have tumor. That means negative. Here in actual they are negatives. That means something has to be written here. Model predicts them as positive. So this is the prediction. This is model prediction positive. So write 22 here. This is called as false positive. Next is false negative. False negative means that the model wrongly predicts the positive class. In actual, the class is uh, positive, but the model is predicting them as negative. So this is called as false negative. In actual, the class is positive, model is predicting as negative, and we have 8 people who have tumors are predicted as negative. That means prediction is negative. 8 people are predicted as negative, but they have tumors. That means the actual positive. This is also called as type 2 error, and false positive is called as type 1 error. Thank you for watching the video.